Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where we bring you the best of boating, cruising, and life on the water. Whether you're a lifelong skipper or just starting your journey into the world of canal boating, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a boat that truly defines European inland cruising, the Pénichette 1165 FB by Boats Holidays. If you're looking for a unique blend of tradition, comfort, and versatility, you're going to want to stick around for this one.
Let's start with what the Pénichette line is all about. Built by Boats Holidays, a company with decades of experience in European canal boating, the Pénichette is designed specifically for inland waterways. The 1165 FB model stands out for one very good reason. FB stands for Flying Bridge, meaning this boat offers not just one, but two helm positions, one inside for when the weather turns, and one on the upper deck for that perfect summer cruise. That flexibility alone makes it an excellent choice for both seasoned cruisers and those new to canal boating. Now onto the design. The Pénichette 1165 FB retains the signature charm that the Pénichette range is known for. With its rounded lines, practical fendering system, and solid white hull, it's instantly recognizable on any canal. It has that classic canal boat feel, but it's far from outdated. The exterior design is smart, clean, and practical. With an overall length of 11.65 meters and a beam of around 3.85 meters, this boat offers excellent stability and enough space to move around comfortably. Even with a full crew on board, you can walk along the side safely thanks to wide side decks and robust railing. The stern area is open and offers easy access on and off the boat, ideal for mooring in tight locks or rustic canal villages. One of the standout features of this boat is of course the Flybridge. The upper deck offers an elevated helm station with comfortable seating and great visibility, perfect for navigating narrow canals or relaxing with a drink while cruising. The controls are simple and intuitive, and it's shaded by a retractable bimini cover, giving you flexibility whether the sun is out or the clouds roll in. There's also room for a few deck chairs or a small table, making this space double as an outdoor lounge area. Let's step inside now. The interior of the Pénichette 1165 FB is designed to be both functional and inviting. It may not be flashy like a luxury yacht, but it's built for long-term comfort and practicality. As you enter the main salon, you're greeted with warm wood tones, large windows that flood the cabin with natural light, and a layout that just makes sense. The dining area features a U-shaped bench with a central table that easily seats 4 to 6 people. It converts into an extra berth if needed, ideal for larger groups or families. The seating is upholstered in durable marine-grade materials and the storage space underneath is very generous. Adjacent to the dining space is a compact yet well-equipped galley. It includes a 2-burner stove, a refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and ample cabinetry. You can easily cook full meals on board, which is part of what makes this boat ideal for week-long adventures. The countertop space is limited, but every inch is used wisely. Overhead storage and under-counter drawers keep everything organized and within easy reach. Moving on to the sleeping accommodations, the 1165 FB typically comes with 2 separate cabins, one at the bow and one midship. The bow cabin usually features a V-berth setup that can be converted into a double, while the midship cabin offers a fixed double bed. Both cabins are equipped with reading lights, windows for ventilation, and enough wardrobe space for a few days' worth of clothes. The cabins are compact but surprisingly cozy. They're built for rest and privacy, and the wooden finish adds a touch of warmth that makes you feel at home.
The boat also includes a well-appointed bathroom with a shower, sink, and marine toilet. Some versions even have 2 bathrooms depending on the layout and the operator's configuration. The bathroom is designed with practicality in mind, and although it's not large, the wet room layout makes it easy to use and maintain. The water heater ensures you get a warm shower even after a long day of cruising, which adds a layer of comfort that really matters during longer stays.
Now let's talk about performance. The Pénichette 1165 FB is powered by a reliable diesel engine, typically around 50 horsepower. That might not sound like much, but for canal cruising, it's all you need. The boat is built for slow, steady travel, usually at speeds of 6 to 8 kilometers per hour, which is ideal for navigating locks, narrow canals, and quiet rivers. It's not about speed, it's about the experience. The engine is smooth and relatively quiet, especially from the interior helm station. Fuel consumption is modest, which is great for long trips without frequent stops. Steering is responsive, both from the internal helm and the flybridge. The turning radius is tight enough to handle narrow bends, and the bow design allows for good visibility in both forward and side directions. It doesn't have thrusters in most versions, so handling in tight marinas or lock entrances can require some skill, but with a bit of practice it becomes second nature. For beginners, this boat is often rented without a license in many countries, which tells you how approachable it is for newcomers. Now for the unique selling points. Why choose the Pénichette 1165 FB over other canal boats in its class? First and foremost, the dual helm layout. Having the option to cruise from the upper deck or switch to the indoor helm when it rains gives unmatched flexibility and comfort. Second, the boat's balance between charm and practicality. It keeps the traditional look of canal boats but with smart upgrades that make modern cruising easier. Third, the interior space is extremely well thought out. From sleeping areas to storage to that panoramic dining lounge, it's made for living aboard, not just spending the night. Also worth noting is accessibility. The boat's layout and wide decks make it suitable for a wide age range. You don't have to be athletic to move around comfortably. Families, older couples, or even solo travelers will appreciate how easy it is to operate and live in this boat. And lastly, it's part of the Pénichette family, meaning you're also getting access to Locaboat's extensive support network across Europe. If you're renting or buying through one of their programs, this makes a big difference in peace of mind. In terms of cost and value, the Pénichette 1165 FB sits in the mid-range of the market. It's not a budget boat, but you're not paying for unnecessary luxury either. You're paying for comfort, usability, and that unforgettable cruising experience that only inland waterways can deliver. Whether you're navigating the Canal du Midi, the rivers of Burgundy, or the waterways of Germany or the Netherlands, this boat is more than capable and makes every journey feel like a slow-motion adventure. So if you're thinking about stepping into the world of canal boating, or upgrading from a smaller cruiser, the Pénichette 1165 FB should definitely be on your radar. It's a boat that respects tradition while offering the features today's cruisers expect. Whether you're a couple looking for a floating holiday home or a small group seeking a shared adventure, this boat fits the bill with ease. That's it for today's episode here on Sir Boats Yacht. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and review of the Pénichette 1165 FB, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Have you cruised on a Pénichette before, or are you planning to book one for your next holiday? Let us know, and as always, happy cruising and stay afloat.